Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my MiG 21. Here it is. So guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So yeah, so first you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you want to start out with a bird base. So you want to fold it in half, like so. Okay, then you want to fold it in half again, like this. And then you want to open up this pocket right here, and you want to fold that down. Okay. Then you want to flip it over and do the same thing on this side as well. So you want to open up this pocket right here. Okay, then you want to fold that down. Okay, like so. And then you see where this open side is right here. You want to bring this two edge right here, this front edge, to the center line right here. Okay, like so. Same thing here. And so, leaning against this edge right here, you want to bring this triangle down, okay? Like so. And then you want to open up, open it back up. And now you want to take that top layer and fold that top crease line right here, okay? Like that. Okay, and now you want to fold the side crease line right here, and also on the other side as well, down, bringing this whole edge right here to the center line. Okay, so fold the side crease line, bringing that edge to the center right here, and then same thing on the other side. So fold that side crease line right there, bringing this whole edge towards the center. Okay, and now you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So you want to flip it over. Okay, take that top layer, fold that top crease line right there. Okay, okay, then now fold the side crease line that we just folded before, bringing this whole edge right here to the center. Okay, side crease line, same thing here, the side crease line, bring this edge to the center. Okay, and fold the side crease line right there. And now you wanna, you see these flaps right here, these ones, you wanna fold them down like so. And now you wanna bring these corners to that center point, but then you wanna bring one of these bottom corners also to the center to guide the corners there to make it more parallel. Okay, and now bring that corner and kind of match it with the edges, the edge here. Okay, bring that corner in. Okay, and make sure this edge is parallel to the center. Okay, same thing here, bring this corner to that center point and make sure this edge matches with this edge. Okay, and make sure it's parallel to the center. And now you can fold this down. And now you want to do the same thing on the other side. So you want to flip it over and bring these two corners to the center, okay? And make sure it matches with the back side, okay? Same thing here. Good crease. And now you're going to sink all these triangles inside. So unfold all of them. Then you want to open up the area. So open this up and open this up to where the triangle is. And you see that triangle? You want to fold up all the crease line right here. Okay, same thing here. And you see the crease line inside, you want to fold the center of it in, okay? That and fold it down. So you want to do the same thing on the rest of them. Okay, so you want to open this up and you see the crease line right here. You want to fold down all the crease lines. Like so. Then push down on the center. Make sure you're folding the crease line right here. Then you want to fold that down. Okay, now same thing on the other side as well. So open this up. Fold down all the crease lines. Then fold the line inside. Then fold it down. Okay, finally the last one. Open this up. Open that up. Then fold down on all the crease lines. Like so. And fold down in the middle. Like so. And now you want to take this bottom flap right here. So hold it like this. Bottom piece and fold it out like that. So this is going to be the nose of the plane. Okay, flip it over to here. And now you see these two. You want to fold them up. So of course it's going to be the wings right here. And then open this pocket right here. Then you want to fold that down. Make sure the center crease line lines up with the center and make sure everything lines up. Okay, same thing here. So open this pocket right there and fold that down. And make sure the crease line here lines up with the center. Okay. And now, so where the triangle is going to be the front, and the one without the triangle is the back side, okay? And now you want to open this pocket from the center all the way to this corner right there, okay? So from the center to that corner, and you want to fold that down, and then you want to do the same thing on the other side. So open this pocket, from the center, fold all the way to that corner right there. Okay, and fold this down. And you want to flip it over to the front, and you see where these corners are? You want to bring this whole back piece and fold it right over where these corners are, okay? Okay, and bring this triangle over. Same thing on that corner. And fold this triangle in half, okay? So I guess you can pre-crease it. Kind of go past beyond this edge a little bit. So kind of leaning back. Okay, just like that. Same thing here. Then fold this together. Okay, now the wing, so flip it back over. And you see this front edge right here, you want to fold it right against the body of the plane. So line it up with this edge here. Okay. So, and same thing here, this edge, and line it up right here. Okay, and you see this triangle, of course. You see where the back edge is. You want to lean it against that and kind of bring that triangle forward. Okay, same thing here. Hold that triangle forward. Okay, and now you see this two edge right here. You want to fold that towards the center. Okay. So, and right here. Okay, same thing on the other side. So bring these two edge to that center line, okay? Okay, and same thing here. Bring that up. Okay. And now you're gonna fold it in half. So hold on to the bottom because there's kind of a thick fold here. If you can see here, kind of ripped already. So try not to touch the top side and just hold on to the bottom side and fold it in half like that. Okay. And now you see where this corner is? Right there. You want to fold right there. So bring this bring this whole front side down. Okay. Like that. And now you see where this corner is right there. As you can see. Bring this whole thing back up to this corner, okay? Like so. Okay. And now bring this point and fold it up to the wing, I guess, or somewhere around there. Okay. Just around there. Okay, and of course fold it back forward to have that iconic nose piece. It's a little thin, but maybe you can, oh, I don't know, never mind. Okay, then you want to fold up the bottom, of course. So hide that corner inside. Okay, and of course fold up the wings. Okay, and fold up the tail wing as well, but try to fold it in a slight angle. So it has that look to it. Okay, and here is the MiG-21. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.